You're watching the Tish 21. Alright guys, what's going on? Your boy the Tish 21 here, back with another video. And what's going on today? So as you guys know, we got the M3 here and we got the AMG here, but for the E92 M3 we have a couple things going on now. Now first of all, we have a drive shaft issue. I don't know if I've already mentioned it to you in a previous video or not. However, we got some drive shaft clunking going on. I believe the center support bearing has gone, causing a failure, and even the U-joint, which is causing like a clunking issue. I don't know if you've heard it in any of the previous videos, but we're definitely gonna go get that fixed today. We're gonna be taking the car to my boy Glenn's shop. I put his handle in the bottom left corner. You guys can check him out. He does amazing metal work. So he can weld all kinds of turbo kits together, exhaust together, and all the like. So definitely check him out if you need any kind of metal shop work done. We're gonna be taking the car to him right now. And we're also gonna be changing the exhaust. Now, this car currently has a muffler delete along with a res delete, and it still has the stock X pipe and primary secondary cats. We're gonna be deleting the secondary cats and we're gonna be reinstalling the factory resonator, and then I'll leave the muffler deleted for now. We're gonna see how I feel about that. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I may then later on delete the primaries and add like some kind of active muffler. We're gonna see how that goes. We got the AMG over here, guys, and we definitely got some more mods coming for both cars. So I gotta show you guys a couple things, which I'll show you guys very soon. I got a set of wheels for the BMW that are inside there, and some other stuff. And just a diffuser piece here I've taken off to get repaired. But yeah, so we're gonna take both these cars right now, so let's hit the road. All right, guys, so we're about to head to my boy's shop, Glenderberry Fab, on that little cruise there. We're gonna be bringing the AMG along with us and my buddy's E92 M3. We're gonna be leaving this here for now. So you guys are gonna get to hear this thing. It's got some work done on it. It's got some exhaust work, wheels, suspension. It's got like a little lip kit. Carbon fiber lip got destroyed, so he ordered another one. But it's got nasty headlights, digital cluster all around. So all right, let's hit the road, guys.
Oh, yes, sir.
You saw that, right?
Yeah. Already flashed his dick there, done.
Yo, what are you doing with my valve stems, yo?
They're gone, still.
Garbage, bro. I don't know why this guy had them on the car.
You won't leak air, you're fine.
Let me see them.
This is garbage,
bro. What a waste. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we've been working on this for a bit, and our buddy Glenn here has already got this off pretty quickly. Check it out, that's the stock exhaust there. Well, for most of what's left of it, we got the primary cats, the secondary cats, the resonator has been deleted, and the factory muffler has been deleted. So now what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be swapping out the secondary cat with the OEM resonator, and then I think we're gonna leave it as is and see how it sounds, and then we'll see what other magic Glenn can do, right?
That's it.
All right, guys, we're here at Glenderberry Fab, and let me redo that. Yeah. No, you know, I've been trying to say that video 5 times. I've been breaking it. All right, guys. So yeah, we're here at Glenderberry Fab. I still can't say it. change your name, dog. Glen Fab. We're at Glen Fab, right? That's where we're at. And so next thing we're going to be doing is getting all this heat shielding off to take a look at what exactly is wrong with the drive shaft, and we're going to be sending it off to get repaired, so I won't have any more vibrations or clunking or any of that. I'm really excited to hear how the exhaust is going to sound. If you guys need any kind of exhaust work done, metal work done, turbo kit manufacturing, like this guy's got it all. He does it all. He's really talented. I'll show you guys some of the stuff in pictures right now on the side of what he can do for you guys. So, you know, we're going to trust him here with the M3, of course, and can't wait to show it to you guys.
Shine a light on this? Shine a light on this?
Oh my god, I can't believe you're driving around with this.
Watch right, like check in it right in here. What? Look at this, okay? You see the cracks?
Holy shit, Jesus. I guess that'll explain the vibration that I've been having at on the highway, right?
Vibration.
Well, good thing I got the M3 at a good price, right? How's the bearing in the middle?
It's good. Bearing looks okay.
Dude.
For no reason at all, we're gonna start it up with no exhaust, just to see what it sounds like.
Whoop-dee.
That's ridiculous. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm gonna flip to the next scene is gonna be when we come back to pick up the car with everything done. Alright guys, so see you guys in a bit.
3 days later.
I do all the time.
All right, boys, we're back at Glenn's shop here with the new drive shaft. We haven't put the drive shaft in yet, but he's been just working on the exhaust. So now, as you know, previously we had the resonator delete and the muffler deleted. We've actually now taken off the secondary cats and put the res back on. It's just temporarily tack welded for right now. I just want to hear how it sounds before he goes up and finishes that job. Let's just get us a good sound check for you guys right now on how it sounds. Not bad. That sounds really good, actually. It almost just sounds like it was before, but probably even smoother, I think, now. All right, guys, Glenn just finished up the exhaust, so check it out. So as you can see, we got the primary cat still in place. We got the secondary cats gone, just a resonator in place right now. The old spot for the resonator is here, and this old shitty weld that was done by another shop. We'll probably change it up later on once I see if I like this sound. All right, guys, here we go. First start up, fully cleaned up. Super clean. There's that cold idle. Takes about a minute for it to cool down and calm down. wondering how the exhaust is gonna sound, I totally forgot that the drive shaft's not making any more noises or vibrations. The car's actually driving smooth as hell. Oh, so far so good. Alright guys, one last mod for the day. I figured, you know what, these taillights look goddamn ancient, so we're gonna change them out right now to the LCI taillights from the later model E92 M3, which look a lot better, and I have them right over here. Check them out. So this is one of them right here. So the main part of the light is a lot more defined, as you can see. It's a huge difference in like just the clarity of the lens even, and the design of the light when you see them on. I can't wait to show them to you guys. So we're gonna get started and start taking this apart and get it going for you guys. Let's take a look. So it's super easy, literally. Little panel comes out, take the battery, unplug it, and cable comes out right here, 3 bolts, and taillight literally comes out. All right, we got the outside ones on. Check that out, already looking nicer. So the only thing you need for these is actually a pair of this right here, and this is a harness adapter for the LCI taillight so that they work, because the connector is completely different on the new taillights. So we're just gonna get this part off here so we can do the 2 inner lights right now. All right guys, check it out. Oh, what a difference, bro. I just brought the car into like 2014. Look at this. Come on. Wow, what a clean design. Oh my god, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Definitely a good upgrade. Okay, this is probably even nicer than the exhaust, bro. Wow. Check out the new taillights, boys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.